Here we have a truck with a high drive tool module service body with front ledge. Front ledges are fantastic because they give you the ability to mount accessories like this fire extinguisher that needs to be accessible to everybody on site day in, day out, whilst your tools might be securely locked away. Front ledges are also useful for mounting heavy items like compressors that require ventilation outside of your tool module or park canopy and these sorts of enclosed spaces. Coming around, you can see that they've got a nice big tool module storage box. We'll show you that later. Now this particular client is doing remote mechanical work and therefore they've invested in a Palfinger crane, which is ideal for picking up engines and pallets and these sorts of things that require transport, and a heavy duty fold down vise. For compliance and convenience, there's some safety steps on the side here. Jumping into the rear tray, as you can see, for a lot of trades, a tool module is the best of both worlds. You get the storage areas for security, for tools and stock, but you also get plenty of tray space. Now this particular tool module has got a nice wide aisle and something really quite special about it. They've invested in a roller shutter, and they've also got this removable panel so they can still slide items in and out of that rear aisle there. But they've got the security of knowing that there's a panel there so that when the roller shutter is down, it's a full secure space. So this truck can be used around the clock. They've also invested in LED work lights on both sides, an additional storage pod here on the roof, made by Hydrive. Just coming down now off the tray. You can see here that we have additional storage, another tool module on the side. They've invested in a hose reel mounted for convenience and to maximise storage space by having it mounted underneath the tray. Here on the passenger side of the truck, you can see that they've invested in the Fleet brand package, conspicuity tape for mine site compliance, and also of course their branding, which builds their brand day in, day out on the job. Dual battery setup, battery isolators, additional step with grab handles. Here we have the driver's side tool module. You can see they've got some parts cabinets, lots of shelving, some mechanics drawers. This is set up for a remote mechanic workshop and therefore, super heavy duty drawers. Again, more mechanics drawers and shelves inside this side of the tool module. They've got an 1000 watt inverter, a fold down bench, super handy just for tapping away, doing a bit of reporting. So there we have it. That is a Hydrive tool module service body. Feel free to book an appointment with a Hydrive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be very keen to learn about your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come. Thank you.